What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mugga back at y'all with another install video. If y'all ain't never subscribed to my channel, make sure y'all smash the subscribe button. Make sure y'all click that bell so y'all don't miss any other bangers. Today's video, we're gonna be doing an install on my 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat. We're gonna be doing a AVS window rain guard deflectors. Basically, you know, it's annoying. It's annoying as hell. Every time it rains, I can't crack my window. You know, I can crack the sunroof a little bit, but I can't crack my window. You know what I'm saying? So definitely had to install this. I had these for a few weeks. Still didn't get a chance to install it, but I'm finally having a chance to install it. So everybody stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all how to get it done. Peace. All right, y'all, so here go the window deflectors. Inner channels, AVS's. I put the description and the link down below too. So they have an inner and an outer channel. This is an inner channel. Inner channel goes inside your window. They also have an outer channel that goes on the outside too as well. Come here, Lily. So what's up to YouTube? Come on. I know we can play. I know we'll do a YouTube channel for you. Oh yeah? Huh? So what you gotta do is this red tape, you gotta unpeel it. So I just got started on the top part.
Huh?
Talking YouTube.
You say you got fart?
No.
I hear it.
You is hilarious.
I'm not hilarious.
You're hilarious.
You pulling the sticker off?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yep. Now what y'all want to do is roll up the window.
Why turn the window down? I think, oh my gosh, it's my god too.
That's the rear.
Oh. Wait, I closed it.
Because I finished.
Daddy, Dad.
Huh?
I thought that blanket is not. That blanket is not dirty.
They're not dirty?
No, that blanket's not dirty. Now stop saying that word. It's not dirty.
I didn't say that. I didn't say it was dirty.
Me and Mommy, we called you and you said it's dirty.
No.
I hear you say that.
You be lying.
I'm not lying. Dad, I got another one. That's that.
Yes.
So you put your head in it. So you put your head in it, Dad.
Hmm?
You put your head in it? Because it says put your head in it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Dad, look, I got missiles. Dad, I don't need help. I got it.
You don't need help, you got it?
Yeah, I got it. Because I got muscles.
You sure?
You got muscles.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy's clapping right there. Daddy's clapping right there.
Cool. Y'all see her acting crazy? Say hi.
Hi.
All right, y'all. So that's it to it. That's how you do an install on a on a rain guard, window deflectors, however y'all want to call it, because there's a few different names for it, but pretty easy, pretty simple. That's all you got to do, y'all. So hope y'all helped y'all out with that install. Everybody stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Everybody have a good one. Peace.